Hey Supreme Surfers, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I practice for 180 Shuvit's wake surfing. Let's get right into the video. Now that you guys know what I'm going to be doing in today's video, let's talk about requirements. You're going to either need a wake skate or a wake surf board, any type of board, and you're going to want to take the fins off just to be cautious, because it could potentially ruin the other thing that you may need, or the thing called the trampoline. If you have a board and a trampoline, you can do this from home. Great practice, and I'm going to be explaining why I am practicing this for my 180 Shuvit attempts wake surfing. Let's talk a little bit about why I'm going to be teaching you guys this important routine and why I use this important routine. So basically, when you're practicing 180 Shuvits on the trampoline, of course it's not going to be the same to actually wake surfing, but what you're going to accomplish like 3 different things: how to spin the board, how to spot the board, and how to land on the board. Those 3 things will help you a lot on the water when you begin trying 180 Shuvits. I'm going to be trying 180 Shuvits really soon, and I hope this will help and improve my skills. So let's get right into it. Alright, I'm going to show you the motion that you're going to need to know how to begin practicing 180 Shuvits for wake surfing. So, as you may have guessed, you need to flip the board around, depending on whatever side you ride on. And how you're going to do that is you're going to start by kicking your back foot back and your front foot forward. So when you do that, it evenly balances the board and flips it around evenly and precisely, so you can begin landing it. This is what it looks like. So if you do that, the board will come around, spot your landing, and land on it. Now, I'll show you what it looks like with the wake skate. Now that you guys know the rotation of the board, let's talk a little bit about foot placement. I like running my back foot pretty close to the back of the board. Gives me I can spin a little easier. I like running my front foot towards like the 3/4 point of the board, so I got a nice even wide stance that I would on a wake surfer. And I kind of like digging my back toe into the edging of the board. This kind of makes it easier to spin. So let's get into the rotation of the board. Now that you guys know all the aspects that it takes to do this trick on the tramp, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've showed you all the aspects that you need to do in order to practice this 180 trick for wake surfing. So I encourage you guys, get outside, practice this trick, improve your wake surfing skills, and never stop surfing. I'll see you guys in another video.